Okay, today's lesson is the discriminant or the nature of roots. Nature of roots means what kind of roots, what kind of zeros they are. So the first thing we should know is the quadratic formula. So discriminant comes from the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is if we are given ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, this is a quadratic equation, and this is a quadratic formula. They're different. Quadratic formula, we can use it from the quadratic equation if it is written in this format only. Then we have b squared minus 4ac under the square root here. This is a special name called discriminant. It tells us what kind of zeros we have, or if we have any x-intercepts in a parabola. So now if b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, more than 0, then we say two real roots or two x-intercepts. Two real roots or two x-intercepts. If b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, which is negative, I cannot have a negative under the square root. Therefore, I do not have real roots. No real roots. They are imaginary. If b squared minus 4ac equal to 0, we have two equal roots, we say, or only one the same root, or we say one x-intercept. We can show these ones here. So whenever we say solve, it means find the x-intercepts. Discriminant does not give you the answers. So if I had this parabola here, it has two x-intercepts. Therefore, discriminant is b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0. If I have this parabola here, we do not have x-intercepts, so b squared minus 4ac is less than 0. If we have this parabola here only on the x-axis, there is only one solution, so b squared minus 4ac equal to 0. So to find the roots means use quadratic formula. Find discriminant, we do not use quadratic formula, we just find b squared minus 4ac. So let's see A. Find nature of roots means what kind of roots? Nature of roots. If I have 5x squared plus x minus 6 equal to 0, I know that a equal to 5, b equal to 1, c equal to minus 6. Therefore, b squared minus 4ac, I have to calculate that. This will be 1 squared minus 4 times a times c, which is, okay, so this is 5x squared, c is equal to negative 6 here, negative 6. Therefore, this will be 121. Therefore, it's greater than 0. We have two real roots. We have two real roots. This is the nature of roots. They are not the zeros. They are not the solution. They are not the x-intercepts. To find the x-intercepts, I have to use the quadratic formula. So B, 3x squared minus x plus 5 equal to 0. So A equal to 3, B equal to minus 1, and C equal to 5. Therefore, B squared minus 4AC, I have to calculate that, which is minus 1 squared 4, 3 times 5, which is 12 60, which is minus 59. Minus 59 is less than 0. So we say no real roots, which means no x-intercepts. Or no x-intercepts. So whenever we say that, that's not. Find the roots would be the quadratic formula only. Let's make sure about that one. Okay, let's do one question, which is for what values of k does the quadratic equation 4x squared plus kx plus 1 has equal roots. So for what value of k does the quadratic equation have equal roots? What we say is, first we say a equal to 4, b equal to k, c equal to 1. So I find b squared minus 4ac. b squared is k squared minus 4ac. This must be equal to 0 because they are equal roots. Therefore, k squared minus 16 equal to 0. K squared equal to 16. K equal to plus minus square root of 16. Therefore, k can be 4 or k can be equal to negative 4. If the question was for what value has 2 roots, I would say this would be greater than 0. No real roots, I would say this is less than 0.